How to make an omelette sandwich. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how you make an omelette sandwich. It's really easy and delicious. Ingredient and equipment. First let's prepare the ingredient and equipment. 1 bread, 2 egg, 3 pepper, 4 oil, 5 spatula, 6 frying pan, 7 soy sauce. How to make. Okay, let's do it. Then heat fry pan on medium heat. Pour the egg into the pan and try to fry it nicely. After that, you will get a beautiful omelette. Oh wow! Look everyone, it's an omelette. It's so beautiful. Okay, next take one slice of bread and put the omelette on it. Then add soy sauce or any sauce you like. After that, put another slice of bread on top. You can also add more egg to increase the nutrition or vegetable. And now the omelette sandwich is ready. This menu provides protein from egg and carbohydrate from bread. If you want more nutrients, you can add meat or vegetable. ก็ก่อนจะไปนะครับคนที่ดูคลิปนี้อยู่อย่าลืมกินอาหารให้ครบ5 หมู่ด้วยนะครับขอบคุณครับเฮ้ยเสียงอะไรอ่ะเฮ้ย